So today I got called out, 350 Quincy on a drag line. Guys, when I went in business, this is all I did was work on 350s on drags, whether they were in the shop for a rebuild or out in the field where they were needing rebuilt or needing just a valve put in. But the 350s is why I know so much about the Quincy in general. And we're going to stand here for a few minutes and he's going to put her to work. You can see him back here in the back. He's putting the safety cages back on. That's where the compressor is located, behind the engine. That's John. And he's going to put her to work and we'll watch it swing a few times and we're going back to the shop. Got a D8 or a D9 sitting in front of most of the drag, but I'm not walking out there in the mud to show it to you. The rest of the cab of the drag. He just fired the back engine up. It should take a minute or two for it to warm up before he starts swinging. Two engines, a big and a little engine. I can't tell you exactly what each one does. The big engine runs the air compressor. This is a Manitowoc 4600. It's a Vicon. That's the front engine throttling up. Point, there were hundreds of these machines around Clearfield County. Now there's only a few left. Folks, thanks for joining us here on this short, weird episode of The Compressor Guru. This is The Compressor Guru, no camera wife. She wouldn't come to the strippings with me. And that's a Manitowoc 4600 drag line. Thank you. God bless. Like and subscribe. Bye.